AI just killed another 3D workflow, and while we pretend to hate it, we're all going to use it anyway. Here are the tools helping 3D artists in 2025. So Topaz Starlight. So if you've ever spent hours rendering only to get a noisy, blurry mess, well, it looks like Topaz Starlight has got you covered. So it's made to enhance old, low quality videos. But if you replace videos with bad renders, then this isn't just upscaling as well. It's actually a diffusion model that restores lost details and fixes ugly renders. So finally,
lock on and enlarge the Z-axis.
Enhance.
Freeze and enhance.
All right, so there was a time when motion capture required you to wear a tight black suit covered in ping pong balls, but Move AI said nah and made it possible on your phone. So now with no suits, no sensors, and no 100 grand studio, you can track human motion in real time and apply it directly to your 3D characters. And then Pika Labs, they broke another 3D rule. Now you can just add anyone or anything to a video with just one reference image. And normally this would require 3D camera tracking, lighting, asset creation, animation, and compositing. But now, just upload one image and it's done. AI animation usually looks like a fever dream until now. Meta have released VideoJam, which introduced a new framework to make AI generated motion look smoother and more coherent. And most AI videos, they really struggle with motion, limbs twisting, liquids defying gravity, and objects merging into one another. And VideoJam looks like they've fixed this. And then we've got Kling. So this lets you combine up to 4 images into AI generated scene, meaning entire AI generated animations are getting dangerously easy. So just imagine throwing in some furniture, AI just figures it all out. This is also pretty good for some B-roll for your animations. And now we know the industry is moving at lightning speed, and if you don't keep up, you're about to get left behind. And that's why today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. It's the largest online community for creatives with thousands of classes from industry experts across film, design, business, and much more. So if you want to up your skills before AI starts designing buildings on its own, then Skillshare has thousands of courses, including rendering, animation, and CGI, including 14 by yours truly, covering everything from V-Ray to AI enhanced workflows. And if you want to venture out of your industry, then Skillshare's got you covered too. When I wanted to improve these videos, I took Marquez Brownlee's YouTube class, and look, you're now watching this video. And the best part is the first 500 people who click the link in the description get 1 month free. So unless you want AI to take your job, hit that link and get started now.